Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. Today I have a little quick video for you guys. And if you don't know what that is a 17-year cicada. But I did see some movement under here. Oh. Looks like a few are under here. Looks like we've got 3 of them. Oh, 4, 5, 6. Seven. Man, there's a lot, and I guess they were eating this root right here. And I'm probably going to make a video about these guys, since there's supposed to be trillions of them this summer. Judging by what I found in this small little area, that's a lot. And yeah, you can kind of see their tunnels. They dig up to surface in the summer. I just think they're really cool. They cannot bite. They only have these little claws they use for digging. They can pinch. I'm very sorry for lack of uploads, like a whole month. And before that, I didn't upload a lot. And I said I would upload this last month and the month before, but I didn't because I'm bad at editing. Although I do have a video I'm editing right now about the reptile expo I visited. I have a couple other awesome videos coming out. A desert tank build. I have some walking sticks. Those 3 that I mentioned, those are going to be the next videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, and get ready for cicadas. It's gonna be an awesome summer. If you aren't subscribed already, please do so. I upload every Wednesday. Hit that like if you enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.